strong.
Hello everyone, Elysian here, back for another video. Today's video is going to be something very special. Today's video is about MetaZoo, a new card game that came out early 2021 as a Kickstarter. I then got funded. It's a card game I've really been very interested and very excited to play. I've known about the game for ages, but Savage, aka Big T, has actually asked to learn how to play and how you do. So it's a fact of, so we both got theme decks. I got the bear, he got the alligator, which are two cards that I really want to talk about, but hopefully we can talk about that in another video. But today we are going to be opening up the MetaZoo Wilderness Spellbook. Now, think of this as your Magic the Gathering booster, Magic the Gathering bundle box, or your Pokemon ETB, Elite Trainer box. Now, each box comes with 10 packs, one sealed holographic promo. I actually don't know what the promo is. I wanted to surprise myself, so I didn't look anything about this. One metallic coin, one rulebook, 60 MetaZoo sleeves, one marker sheet, and one Aurora deck. I'll get to that when we actually have a look at this, with the help of my trusty knife. Did I just stab my playmat? No, I didn't. Okay, good. I wouldn't be very happy if I accidentally just did that. Would not be a happy man. Man, but to be honest, the packaging is very good. Now, I know a lot of people won't like this because the artwork, they think the artwork looks crap. I think the artwork looks amazing. And what I really like about this card game is its fourth wall effects, aka where you are and what you have actually changed the game a lot. Now, this is all new. So we actually do have this card as the promo. Wilderness. I actually bought one of these. The next page you construct from your chapter this turn is a page from the MetaZoo Wilderness set. It costs 3 or less. Basically, page means card, contract means play, spellbook is deck, etc. So actually have one of these is pretty good. You're gonna have one per deck, as said, all the way up here. Probably can't see it because the camera's not zooming in. But here we have a massive kind of like paper playmat, which I'll just put to one side for now. Our rulebook, I already have one of these, so I might as well have two. Our Aurora, these are all like mana lands. These are all just like lands from like Magic. Our sleeves, which is actually pretty sick. Our 10 boosters. Our metallic coin, which looks amazing. And this must be our token sheets. Okay, so these are actually counters. Different counters do different things. Like my deck does a lot of burn counts, so this is actually pretty cool, and will actually make the game a lot easier. So we put all this stuff over here. Like the main guy I really want to play is Bigfoot, so I'm really hoping we pull one of these Bigfoot. If you guys do want to learn more on what MetaZoo is, then like the video or put a message or comment down below saying you want to see more MetaZoo, because honestly I'm hyped for this game. I love that you get actual metallic coins. These are pretty cool. So what do you guys think about the background music? It's on loop, but it should be fine anyway. So each pack contains a foil. I actually don't know what the ratio is. I'll figure out the ratio at some point. I'm seeing all new cards I haven't seen before. Oh, Chibi. Oh. I love this game. All the creatures called beasties, and the lore is amazing because the lore says these beasties have always been in the world, just hidden from view. Hey, a midnight lake signal. Oh, that's actually gorgeous. And got some nice white sleeves to sleeve them in. Look at that. Our first holo. It's actually really, really nice. Oh, tokens and a lake. Oh, and an Earth Terror. So we got our land and our Terror. These go a very, very different spot on the board. Again, if you guys want to know more about the game, then leave likes or put in the comments saying you want to see more, and I will happily do more. Oh, actually, this would be my 4th copy of Explosion. I'm so happy that I get to open more of these cards because this is an amazing game. It's so silly and so stupid, and I love it. Oh, man, these cards look so good. So that's another foil. Obviously, people who already know the game will probably say, "Oh, he's pulled crap," but I just love opening packs. They're so fun. And a pet token, a desert, and a spiral. So far, the hunt for Bigfoot still continues. Artifact barrier. I haven't seen this one yet. Fish, pudding. I've seen like 3 of you already. Hey, a reverse holo midnight lake. You guys, reverse holo, the image is the background isn't holo, it's just the image that's foil. From what I can tell, each pack contains a aura, a terror, and a token, I believe. Three packs down, 7 more to go. Another. Hey, hiding in thickness. I actually want this card. So I actually have a copy. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, come on, Sasquatch. Old Man Winter. Oh hell yeah! Like, it's so cool. I love these cards. Like, the main purpose of the game is they are like myths and legends all the way around the world, like mythical creatures and folklore. That's what the game is, and it's amazing. Like, for example, Bigfoot, Mothman, they're kind of like the big guys of the game so far. Another Weeping Black Angel. Oh. Probe and a reverse holo Jackalope. Look at this. Gorgeous card. And an effect token, Cosmic Rain, and a Frost. Like, I already have a regular Jackalope. Pretty sure I've got some more coming in the mail, in the post, pretty much. If Royal Mail can actually get this stuff sorted, because of the people going on strike, and it's a little bit annoying because people actually put post in isn't getting it for a while. Hey, that's my 3rd copy of Wildfire. Heatwave, a Chibi Cumberland Humberland Dragon. Lovely. Reverse Hollow. Love to see that. Oh, Hornet token. Dawn Terror. And a Dark Ore. Oh my god, that looks menacing. Are you a dragon? No, you are a chippy. Chippies are bases, just chippies. And this game's so silly. Come on, Bigfoot. Pull me, Bigfoot. Come on. Oh, shovel. Come on. Oh. We have the jellyfish. Actually, really nice looking hollow, actually. So, what do we actually want? We want to make sure we are trying to pull this guy. Maybe this guy. I don't really care for the unicorn. And we also want Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Obviously, Bigfoot's a Sasquatch. Bigfoot has his own typing, which is Sasquatch. Sasquatches are actually really good. Hey, speaking of Sasquatch, Stunk Ape is actually pretty funny. Gives poison cows. We have a Haunted Terror. Okay. Wait, where did these come from? Oh, I must have accidentally opened up another pack without finishing the other one. Oh, my bad. My bad. Hey, nest tokens. A Sasquatch uses nest tokens. What's it called? Ah, I can't remember. Something Oh, Ohio Grassman. That's what the guy's called. You tap him to create a nest token. I haven't even really pulled any dragons yet. Oh, Rocky. Nice. Hey, a Bun Silo. And a Water Terror. A Water Aurora. Last pack. Can we get a Sasquatch? Can we get Bigfoot himself? Or Chippy Bigfoot? Or a Ohio Grassman? EMP. Another Wildfire. Okay, we got John as our last hollow. Hey, we did pull a dragon, but I'm pretty sure your Big T may actually want one of these. Okay. So far, for my actual first opening of a second opening of a product, because the first product I actually opened was this, which is in a theme deck, which I actually tried to have a video of, but my phone didn't have any memory space. It's just kind of sad, but I think we did pretty well with ourselves. Like, and I have a second copy of Jackalope, which is pretty cool. And like the fish, it just looks really, really nice. Also, I could in fact build a chippy deck. But do let me know if you guys. But yeah, do let me know if you guys want to see more MetaZoo videos in the future, because I will actually do them, because I do really enjoy this game. It's so fun, so hilarious. So yeah, I see you guys in the next video. Bye.